What killed these birds wasn't gunfire. It was a peregrine falcon hitting its prey at over 180 miles per hour. This bird is famous for its deadly strikes from the sky. When it spots a target, it climbs high and dives, reaching more than 180 miles per hour and becoming the fastest animal on Earth. During the dive, it turns its body into a living bullet. Right before impact, it pulls its wings in and shoots its talons forward, delivering a precise and brutal hit that can kill instantly. It doesn't need to grab its prey in midair. The impact alone is powerful enough to disorient, knock down, or even break the neck of birds much larger than itself.